We can use our computer keyboard as a MIDI device. Right here, it's enabled, so I can use my standard computer keyboard to play notes. Let's hear that. So I can record using that. Just press record once this is armed, of course, and I can record MIDI. See that? Now I have it recorded. Of course, I can manipulate this MIDI data many ways. Pull it back and forth, quantize it. Quantization would mean, fixing these timing errors I've made. So Control U or Command U, and it would immediately bring the beginning of each note to the closest grid alignment right here that we see right now, which is 1/16, 16 notes grid. But I could record MIDI and audio at the same time. So I can just hold Control and arm this channel too. As you remember, arming tracks was made by me in Preferences exclusive. So if I click an arm button for any of the tracks, everything else turns off. So all the arms on all the other tracks are turned off because it's exclusive. But if I press Control or on a Mac Command and click any other arm button, they will both stay on. Meaning that now I can record both MIDI and audio at the same time. Let's try that too. So I'm playing the MIDI keyboard and I'm recording my voice. See that? Now we have this. We have the notes and we have my vocals recorded. So I'm playing the MIDI keyboard and I'm recording my voice. So I'm playing the MIDI keyboard and I'm recording my voice. As easy as that. At least it looks easy to me, and I hope that after this lesson you see how really simple this whole process is.